What does the word development mean in the context of Scrum? Choose one option. Option 1. Research and identifying of viable markets, technologies, and product capabilities. Option 2. Development of an operational environment for the product. Option 3. Product development, its releasing and sustaining. Option 4. Complex work that can include all the suggested options and even more. Option 5. Software and hardware development enhance. The correct answer is option 4. Scrum's definition of development is comprehensive and extends beyond the typical software development connotation. It tackles the entire product lifecycle, from strategy to creation, delivery, and ongoing maintenance, making it a valuable framework for various domains and complex challenges. The Scrum Guide positions Scrum as a framework for solving complex problems, highlighting its adaptability to various domains. This broader perspective is echoed in the Scrum Glossary, where development is linked to creating value through adaptive solutions. Within Scrum, development can involve researching markets, technologies, and product functionalities to lay the groundwork for the product journey. Also creating and delivering a product, which includes traditional software development activities, but can also encompass physical product development, content creation, or any steps required to bring the product to life. Development also means operations and maintenance, ensuring the product functions as intended, addressing issues, and potentially adding new features are all part of the development umbrella.